Welcome to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to go through setting up automatic backup schedule in WPvivid. Manually backing up your WordPress site works until you forget to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to set up automatic backup schedule in WPvivid so your site backs itself on a schedule you choose, no more relying on your memory. From the WordPress dashboard, go to the WPvivid plugin, then click on Backup and Restore, then select the Schedule tab. On the schedule settings, enable backup schedule. Choose your backup frequency. From the backup frequency, you'll see something like daily, weekly, fortnight, monthly. So I'm going to select daily. Which one you pick depends on how often your site changes. For example, a blog that publishes a few posts a week might be fine with weekly backups. An e-commerce store taking orders every hour, you'll want daily or even more frequency. Since every backup is a snapshot, you could restore to. Choose the frequency that fits your site, then set the specific day and time you want it to run. So in this case, I'm going to select daily. Then decide what to include in each scheduled backup. So I'm going to include my database and files. This is recommended for most websites so that you have a complete backup site of your website if need to restore it. Then choose your backup location. So in this case, I'm going to select save backups on localhost. The next video, I'm going to talk how you can backup to an external storage. This will include how you backup to Google Drive. Once you're done, click on Save Changes. Once I've clicked on Save It, WPvivid will run backups automatically on the chosen schedule. No action needed from my site. And that's it. That's the whole set. Set and forget it setup. Once this is running, you can focus on growing your site instead of worrying about losing it. If disaster does strike, check out our restore video and you'll see exactly how to get site back in minutes. See you in the next one.